Right now, I don't have the budget to create the AI films that I dreamed of. But it doesn't mean I will stop trying. This isn't a reel about what I can afford. It's a reel about what I have already built. Step motion graphics videos, today's top skill. Brands pays millions for that. I built it with AI. For the last 3 years, I have been creating 3D advertising, motion design, and AI visuals. I built this motion graphic animation with AI Vision plus hyperframes, with just few prompts and storyboarding skill. Here are some of my product commercial works. And also some Kumar method flexing. This is a message to all traditional studios. My name is Shapin. I am an AI creator, and I am going to steal your clients by building the ultimate AI studio in the world. I earned 4.7 star rating on Fiverr. I don't know if they're enough, but this is everything I have. If I don't get selected, well, I'll keep learning. What else can I do? But if I do get selected,